So we can do the, divide it out by year.
His driver's license is not eligible, Your Honor.
You're not allowed to drive. You will be signing up an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. If I find that you drive, and I don't care what your excuse is, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? Okay.
The court costs, including DPS fine, is $3,500.
Handheld device. 35
That's including $15 payment plan fee.
Okay, so the total amount that you will be required to pay is $3,520. You will be able to pay it through while you're on probation because they will put you on a payment plan. You get caught up again, it's a ton of prison time. You understand? All right, good luck, sir. Thank you, guys. Yeah, yeah. So you do like maybe 25? Yeah, okay. Hi.
Back on Mercedes Spinks, you had indicated that you would lower her bond to $3,000. I've spoken with the family, they will pay that. I
Wow.
have the
Okay,
waiver and the other one, so I just think we just need a bond order, bill.
so Deputy Miranda, you mind bringing up Miss Spinks real quick? Spinks, please. Okay, I want to just admonish her that, hey, and then, okay. Amy, you good? Okay. All right, so on Miss Spinks, if you can set the bond, please. If you can set the bond at 3,000. Okay, so it's 2 weeks from the date of a release. I just wanted her to know that, so we're all on the same page, and then we'll.
Yes. Yes.
Excuse me.
I just don't want my ball and privileges to get.
I'm taking more.
I have that.
Yeah. Yeah. I put annual prices.
She has to sign stuff on here.
I mean, every time I see
No,
you,
Fridays.
your turn.
Are pretty good.
What?
Yeah.
Is it like a
Wow, Lori,
essay?
Dane Mireles picked up cases. Did you see that? They're just now dismissing them.
I like.
No.
This,
I thought
this is the one that came with the chat, with the bond forfeited. And I talked to them today to.
So are you still on it?
I'm still on the night, they're dismissing it today. because it's-
Iraq it appropriately.
Or do you have any contact with him? How's he doing? No,
You can
He didn't come to work
analyze it.
last time.
If you,
last couple.
I feel like they won't penalize you as much versus the questions is either right or wrong.
Yeah. Thank you. These are the copies?
Yes.
Cool. Really nice.
We want.
Today's your lucky day, Miss Spinks.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We're very lucky to have a family that's going to post this $3,000 for you. You need to understand there's serious consequences if you fail to go back. You fail to go, I'm going to revoke this bond. I will set it at 0. The family's going to lose all that money. So do you want, all we're asking to do is go back to this jurisdiction within the 2 weeks of your release. Don't wait until the last day because it's Murphy's Law dictates what can happen will happen. And I don't care about excuses. So if you try to wait till 2 days before to go up there and my car breaks down, my dog died, but I don't care. Do you understand?
Yes.
So I would make arrangements as soon as you get out. Okay? All right.
I want you to know that she has a lawyer working right now to set up.
If you come back here and it's post 2 weeks and the lawyer hasn't done squat, it doesn't matter to me. Don't depend depend on whoever, because it's on you. If you don't make it up there within 2 weeks to turn yourself in, and they haven't done what they're supposed to do, they promise you the moon, sun. Okay, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You don't need another card, right?
No, I think I'm not correct. If not, my daughter has mine.
Okay.
You want to do the?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
That right there.
This is Mrs. Sparza.
This is Mrs. Esparza, or you may have her as Matthews.
Good morning, Mrs. Sparza. And you were charged with facing up to 6 months,
Keep it down, keep it down.
facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys are with 60 that you've done. You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to this, it will go on your record. You can never change this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, ma'am? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty, send you to the 30, credit for 60. You also need to understand that this now makes 2. What happens on the next one? Years instead of years. Oh, this was a long sentence. Then you're looking at years. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
For a case of beer. Go through the list. You ready? No? I think we're close, right? No?
Yes, so when you're done with it, he's work items and this is gonna be. Should you probably be. It's not the. Bottom of page 8. Carl is expecting the dismissal on Devion.
Yes. It's like, yes. Shows.
On the desk. Page 15. Jasper. It will say he was able to locate him. No, will we talk about it at all? Okay. Oh, because he doesn't.
I don't see this person here too. I don't see the person here.
I think it's in page 17, Lazo, the doctors, the video.
Statutory.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, hey, let him know I'm leaving at 12. Have a meeting.
That's all. I too want to leave at 12.
That's the cost, yes.
On Montalongo, did we plead on the theft? Or did we plead on the terroristic threat and the assault?
We
Or they
plan
did-
on the terroristic threat.
That was it. What about the assault?
The assault is looking like a dismissal.
Hey, can I ask you a question? On Montalongo, you pled to the terroristic threat?
Yes.
So are you,
I'll follow.
thanks. What happened at the bottom of page 20, Vic? Nieto.
Yes. No.
That's one, I haven't heard from council.
Sorry.
Did the person, are you Miss Nieto?
Is he in custody or is he? Yes.
Are you Miss Nieto? No?
No, she hasn't checked in.
Oh, well, that's a problem.
Another one, Judge, page 30, bottom.
It's for 2501 if there's a no-show.
And then he was also asked for. Council and bring us one. No, page 30.
On page 30?
Yeah, I think he said,
5001.
Right. So I got,
Mr. Dean,
Yes, sir.
hey,
Judge,
Nico West.
that's what Connors, right?
Yes.
I got a chance to watch the video, put it up, finally, somehow I just kept maneuvering and it opened up. It was a 6.5 gigabyte. I just saw it didn't have the, toxilizer.
The station video.
Station video, but I just saw the station video and I saw where he hit the curb, so. His record is clean. The chief has offered me he blew up, the BHC was a .120.
you're gonna need a mitigation packet if
I
you
need a
need.
mitigation pack because he hit that curb, a minor accident down.
It's 400 and something days old though, man. I mean,
I'll call Mr. Dixon, so I will.
but
That's fair.
Yeah,
Hold on
I
a
just got the
second.
video, yesterday, Judge. I'll get right on it. I have him in my office.
so
That
it'll be 2 weeks, let him know he's gotta get all the stuff by 2 weeks and, yeah, okay,
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Thank you, John.
sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate, start with appreciate.
Hey, Judge, I have a document in pending right now from a Mr. No from the other day. He had 2 cases with previous conditions from the magistrate. We amended them. I had him sign one, but
Wait the
I'm
other.
about to have him sign the other.
That's
Thank
okay.
you.
To dismiss for Hugo Gonzalez.
I signed everything.
Okay, good. His DACA,
Let me,
his DACA's hanging in the balance, Judge. He needs it. So he can take it
I got it
to.
right now.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
I'll send it right now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure, thank you.
Here you go, Rick.
Are you also picking up this one or is it?
Don't mind you. Taking the.
You're awesome, so thank you so much. That was a good one. I'm signing, you'll sign for the people, right?
I'll let Judge know. Thanks. Judge, top of page 8 is, starting to set the bond forfeiture. Mr. Dean always said he knows.
2501.
Okay.
Right, done. We left the bank. Place every time. Sorry, starting on range scale. I speak about.
Yes, sir.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, Mr. West. Mr. West, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the 9 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any.
And there's also a criminal mischief charge he's pleading.
Oh, I see that too. It looks like the criminal mischief is going to be dismissed.
No, he's pleading to that as well.
Oh, he is. I don't have one.
I only got one, I didn't get another.
Are they not filed?
Should be fine.
They did.
Sorry.
I didn't get it, I'm sorry, but let me see that one. I don't have the first one.
You are harder to get a hold of than the Pope. Why don't you come to court? When you come to court, good things happen, man. You
Yeah,
know?
it should have been, I'd be weighing gas and it should be hard for me to get up here.
Come on, man.
I'm not, that's the only reason.
When you come to court, good things happen. We have things that we can give you, cell phones, tablets, food, place to eat, place to sleep, whatever you want, we can give you. All you got to do is come to court. This is all the time. Come to court. It's a minimum 90 days in jail. Any new cases that you pick up, you go back to this place where this trespass was from. It's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand? So on your mischief case, it's the same deal applies. It's 30 days in jail, credit for the 9 days that you've done. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You never take it off. Is this what you want to do, Mr. West? How do you plead to both cases, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
You're facing a year on the mischief and then 6 months on the other one. If you pick up any new cases, come to court. It's not hard. Good luck.
Yes, I need to sign them. In fact, this is bond is reinstated on Tuesday.
Well, yeah, there's no officer at 7 anymore, so I gotta keep running there. Yeah, whatever. He's just
Yes,
retired.
yes, it's a whip patrol as well.
But, yeah, and they like me in there, so they call me specifically to go there. I like them,
She's not here right now. She can't answer. Can I get a call back? Cause I'm still.
My neck hurts. I feel like I just have a permanent creaking.
Or do you want me to transfer you to my judge so you can speak with them? At what extension? Six. 056. Yeah, that's 6. Okay. And who am I speaking with? Cammy. Okay, thank you. Have a good one. Sorry, they were calling about Salachi, the one that we reinstated on Tuesday, that he's still in ICE custody. And it was.
Well, let's help them and then we'll
Yeah,
talk.
yeah.
Help them.
It was.
She's not on the docket today, right?
She wasn't done.
She was?
So they were calling about it. They wanted to know if we were gonna do a bench warrant. Okay. License.
Oh, hold on. Blaze needs to talk to you. Let me go find him real quick. Blaze?
One day, then one more day. I'm not trying. And by the way, Friday, I think today, Friday. It is for me.
I them do right, and then you go. I'm done. No, okay.
Victoria.
Sorry about that. Yeah, we're good now. Lindsay, there's bail orders that you have pending, do you may just get those?
That was good.
Push it through? Oh,
Yeah.
got it.
Remember that's David Haas's case? He was in
Yeah,
here.
it's already, but yes, I had put them on for today.
But, so there were,
Lawrence was calling, saying that he's in ICE custody, and we said we already knew, but they wanted to confirm since he wasn't on docket today, were we gonna file on?
He is on docket today.
Since he was on docket, were we gonna file a bench warrant?
I think we already have one. Did you look in these? I believe there's already one in there.
but wasn't he gonna, I thought he posted bond in that case. We reinstated here so that he could post a immigration bond.
All I know is I did do the bench warrant and it's in there.
Pa said that he had posted an immigration bond, but they wouldn't release him because they had our bond here, and I reinstated so that.
Let me take a look. Brett, were you here for the Moab?
Yes, sir.
So, that's
He-
what Blaze wanted.
Yeah,
Blaze wants to
he
amend.
emailed me, that's why I was coming by here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can we just make it for Tuesday? He'll still be in custody. I think he had another week to do. If we can make it for Tuesday, it's just a sign that,
I know, but
amend.
I don't know if they'll release him early. Can you Zoom? I have Zoom.
Yeah, that's
I have
fine.
Zoom available, so you can always Zoom.
Shouldn't be a problem.
You don't have to be here.
Think about it.
You can always Zoom in. Hey, Mackenzie, where did Blaze go?
Don't need the bench warrant.
I'm sure that.
Yeah,
So that's what Judge is saying.
but I think she was just worried about the ICE.
If we put him on I mean, we did a plea on, so
Yes, we did a plea and you did a Moab. Y'all want to amend the Moab. So I did add them to the docket.
for tomorrow?
He did say Monday. Blaze said Monday, but Brad wants Tuesday, so I guess we'll see.
Monday's fine. If I'll just zoom in.
He can Zoom.
Oh, yeah.
I have Zoom so that it's always easier for the lawyers so they can, right.
Yeah.
So you okay with that?
I am.
Okay, let's do
Okay,
that.
that's for sure the day he told me.
Okay,
So, all right,
done.
I'll see y'all virtually on Monday.
Okay, thanks, man.
She called me, she didn't call the court, like somebody from Lawrence.
So here's the thing, she's calling, asking if we want him.
Yeah, yeah.
We do, but he's in the process of being bonded out from immigration, so she won't have to do anything. He's bonding out over there and on his own free will, and come here. Musk doesn't need to worry about it.
Okay, I'll call him.
Should we confirm that, just to make sure?
Well, when he did the reset with me, he's like, he's supposed to be getting out Friday. So, I'm sorry, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. So we're gonna go on
Right.
for Monday.
Okay.
So he already knew. He already knew he was getting out.
Yeah, I'm saying that for people who want some person.
It's good, it's better.
Hey, what's up?
You're getting your bonus. You know what's in there? Sorry, see what you said.
Are you?
I feel like I'm-
I'll just do that.
Okay.
Well, we appointed a bunch of, you didn't get anything tonight?
No, Judge, nothing.
That's weird. We did.
Maybe, Spanish. I don't have any Spanish ones today.
That might be. Thank you.
Yes.
Alright.
Please.
So all we were waiting on is one plea?
Going in.
We're waiting on top of page 3. Is it still needed?
You just missed Brad.
Monday's good.
Monday's good.
Cool,
But he'll Zoom in.
cool, thank you.
So the top of page 3, I've emailed council twice to swing by. I haven't heard back.
Hmm.
Also, top of page 4, we haven't done that arrangement yet. Council hasn't come.
Do you know, are they, is this person coming?
I've emailed council twice as well. No response.
Okay, I guess we'll wait 5 more minutes. If she's not here, then we'll just do it.
Also, test results for Guerrero, Jose. Yes, he's still waiting. I'm texting him right now. He's
Okay.
still waiting. I see he's checked in. Yeah.
Alex,
Just